Imagine waking up one morning, scrolling through the headlines and seeing AI replaces another 10,000 finance jobs. Your heart skips because you're in finance. But what if that headline didn't scare you? What if it excited you? Because instead of being replaced, you were ready. Hi, I'm Imani, your AI career coach. My mission is to help you rise above the noise, stand out above the rest, and thrive in the AI era. And today on Tip Tuesday, I'm revealing how to recession-proof your career in finance with AI. So no matter what the markets do, you stay in demand. Because here's the truth. Every decade brings an economic shakeup. But this time, it's not just money being tested. It's mindset. AI is rewriting how money moves, how risk is measured, and how success is defined. And if you learn how to partner with it instead of panic over it, you won't just survive the shift, you'll profit from it. Let's start with a quick reality check. Economic downturns have always exposed skill gaps. In 2008, it was the gap between paper and digital. In 2020, there was a gap between office and remote. And in 2025, it's the gap between human effort and AI efficiency. But here's your advantage. Most people are reacting. You're preparing. And preparation turns panic into power. So, let's talk about how to do that. I call this framework F.A.I, the 4 strategies to recession-proof your finance career in the age of AI. F stands for forecast, A for automate, I for integrate, and R for rebrand. F, forecast your future. Recession-proof careers start with foresight. And the smartest finance professionals aren't waiting to see what happens. They're predicting what's next. Fun fact, over 70% of CFOs now use predictive analytics to guide hiring and investment decisions. That means numbers don't just reflect history anymore. They reveal the future. So here's your move. Start tracking industry signals with AI tools. Use AlphaSense or Kensho to scan global finance reports. Try Perplexity AI to summarize quarterly trends. Or use ChatGPT with browsing to monitor shifts in inflation, fintech, or global supply chains in plain language. Even free tools like Google Trends or Notion AI dashboards can help you predict demand patterns before they hit your department. Think of it as financial weather forecasting, but for your career. When you can see storms coming, you can position yourself safely. Ask yourself every Sunday, where is my industry headed, and what skills will still matter when it gets there? That question alone can save you from stagnation. A, automate your low-value tasks. During recessions, time becomes your most expensive currency, and the people who thrive are the ones who stop wasting it. If AI can do something 60% faster, let it. That's not cheating. That's scaling. Free your brain for strategy. Use ChatGPT to summarize audit reports, emails, or compliance checklists. Use Microsoft Copilot in Excel to run formulas or create visual dashboards. Use Notion AI to write SOPs for your finance team. Use Gamma or Tome AI to build presentation decks in minutes. And if you're managing clients, use Jasper AI to write outreach messages or campaign recaps. The secret isn't to know every tool. It's to master one at a time. Automate repetitive work so you can focus on creative, analytical, and ethical thinking, the stuff AI can't replicate. Here's a fun fact. A McKinsey study found that finance professionals who automate just 20% of their tasks can reclaim 30 full workdays a year. That's a month and a half of your life back. What could you do with 30 extra days of focus, strategy, or rest? That's how automation becomes your quiet advantage. Integrate AI into your workflow. AI shouldn't be something you fear or avoid. It should be something you infuse into everything you do. If you're in accounting, use MindBridge AI to detect anomalies. If you're in investment banking, use a Yazdi or data robot to identify patterns across markets. If you're in fintech or credit, experiment with Zest AI or Upstart for predictive credit scoring. If you're in auditing, learn how Blackline automates journal entries and reconciliations. These tools don't just replace manual tasks, they multiply human potential. You become the translator between insight and action. Think of AI as your invisible intern. It handles the data so you can deliver the decisions. And if you're a job seeker, here's a secret recruiters won't tell you. Hiring managers don't want AI experts. They want AI-aware humans. Someone who knows how to collaborate with technology, not compete with it. So add this phrase to your resume today. Leverage AI tools to optimize financial workflows and decision-making. That one line signals adaptability, and adaptability sells even in recessions. R. Rebrand your professional identity. This might be the hardest, but it's the most important. If the economy shifts and the systems change, but you're still describing yourself the same way you did 5 years ago, you've already fallen behind. Recession-proofing your career isn't about holding tighter to the past. It's about rebranding for the future. Start by updating your LinkedIn headline. Don't just say finance analyst. Say finance analyst, AI workflow innovator, or CPA, data-driven decision maker. You're not exaggerating. You're evolving. Fun fact, profiles with future-focused keywords like AI, automation, and digital transformation get 38% more recruiter engagement. So go through your resume and LinkedIn and remove outdated language. Replace responsible for with optimized. Replace assisted with analyzed. Replace managed with modernized. Your language determines your leverage. And finally, update your network. Join AI finance communities. Engage with fintech thought leaders. Comment on posts about automation in banking. Visibility creates opportunity. Remember, if you're not seen, you're not considered. Now, let's connect all the dots. AI isn't here to steal your paycheck. It's here to show you what parts of your workflow are worth more. It's the mirror that reveals where your energy goes and where your expertise grows. Every financial revolution has two kinds of players, the ones who panic and the ones who pivot. And the pivot always wins. So if the economy dips tomorrow, you won't freeze. You'll forecast. You'll automate the noise. You'll integrate new tools. And you'll rebrand your skills around strategy. That's how you become recession-proof. Here's your Tip Tuesday challenge. Pick one of these 4 areas: forecast, automate, integrate, or rebrand. Choose one small action to take by the end of the week. Maybe it's subscribing to a finance AI newsletter. Maybe it's testing ChatGPT on your reports. Maybe it's updating your LinkedIn headline with AI Smart Finance Professional. Whatever you choose, post it, because visibility builds credibility, and credibility compounds. You're not competing with AI, you're collaborating with it. You're not losing relevance, you're redefining it. And no recession can replace a human who understands both empathy and efficiency. Here's your final thought. Every economic shift creates 2 currencies, money and meaning. AI will help you master both. So stay adaptable, stay aware, and most of all, Stay aligned. Because when the market shakes, it's not the strongest who survive, it's the most strategic. Give this video a thumbs up if it gave you clarity. Share it with someone in finance who's ready to stay secure, smart, and strategic in the AI economy. And don't forget to subscribe, because tomorrow on Wisdom Wednesday, we're breaking down the top 5 AI tools every finance professional needs to know before 2030. We'll talk about the platforms that save you time, predict risk, and help you make smarter money moves. I'll see you tomorrow, where your future starts to balance out.